So we're still here on 811 Day, celebrating 811. Why should people call 811?
People should call 811 to stay safe.
To know where underground stuff is.
Yeah, what do you think? Do you think that it helps people stay safe? Do you think it's working?
I think it is worth it. I think it does help people stay safe.
That's awesome. And what about you?
I second that. I also think it makes people stay safe.
There we go. So we have a whole group that is knowledgeable about 811 and they think it helps keep people safe. So I would say dial 811 before you dig, right? All right. Thank you all. Thanks for watching Miss Diggs. What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Diggs 811 before you dig.